Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is reproductive health. Now, the syllabus for this chapter are reproductive health, problems and strategies, population explosion and birth control, medical termination of pregnancy, sexually transmitted disease, infertility, and assisted reproductive technologies. Now, what is reproductive health? Literally speaking, the term reproductive health refers to healthy reproductive organs with normal function. But in broader prospects, it also includes the emotional and social aspects of reproduction. World Health Organization has defined reproductive health as a total well-being in physical, emotional, behavioral, and social aspect of reproduction. And a society can only be termed as reproductively healthy if the people have all the above aspects, having interaction among them in all sex related aspects. Now, what is the importance of studying reproductive health? First of all, it aims at providing awareness regarding the contraceptives or the birth control methods to both male and female. It also helps people to manage disorder related to reproductive system. It gives people the ability to prevent and control sexually transmitted disease. So these three are the most important one. Okay. Now, providing information as to keep proper hygiene, planning children to the limit of enjoying family life, and obtaining treatment for reproductive disorder at the earliest. Now, reproductive health, its problem and strategies. In this section, we will deal with plans and program in India, strategies for successful implementation of the program, and support needed for successful implementation of the program. So first of all, we will deal with what are the problems related to reproductive health. So in broader sense, there are many problems which are related to reproductive health, like in India, religions, tradition, and society setup do not allow much dissemination of knowledge about reproductive health to children. Then early marriage, then the child marriage, which results in having children even when the parents were themselves kids. Then deformities are common in children of early marriage. Maternal and infant mortality rates are high. Then there is very little knowledge of personal hygiene and hygiene of reproductive organs. Okay, and carelessness of maintaining personal hygiene results in catching up sexually transmitted disease. Then health of the ladies, that is the ladies remain weak, anemic, and an easy prey to several disease if they are married often as soon as they attain puberty. And then due to lack of awareness, there has been a rapid increase in population size. And this is the main problem which is directly connected with reproductive health. Okay. So, these problems, then what are the strategies or what are the steps which are taken by Indian government to overcome these things? Okay. Now, there were various problems, and so there are many strategies of reproductive health in human beings. Okay, one by one we will be dealing with that. First foremost problem is overpopulation. So rapidly expanding human population, particularly in the developing countries like India, has a direct bearing on reproductive health of the society. So fast increasing human population has greater proportion of young individuals who determine the size, health, and prosperity of future population. Okay. So health and education of these young individuals, as well as the age of marriage and childbearing capacity of women, are some crucial concern for the overall reproductive health of human population. So keeping in view the above concern, Government of India initiated number of programs from time to time. So in fact, India was first country in the world to initiate action plans program at national level to attain total reproductive health as a social goal. Okay, means family planning program was initiated in 1951 in India, and it was periodically assessed over the past decades. Okay, so this is very important plan on an initiative taken by Indian government. Many a time question comes, so please learn it. So family planning is one such program initiated in 1951. Next, awareness about reproduction related aspects. Okay, that means at present much more improved programs in reproduction related areas are in operation. Okay, and these are popularly termed as reproductive and child health care programs. Okay, that is RCH. Now, two main objectives are to bring awareness among people about various reproductive related aspects and to provide facilities and support for building up a reproductive healthy society. Okay, so improved programs covering wide reproductive related areas are currently and are in operation, and its name is reproductive and child health care. And what are the major tasks of RCH program? So these are the major tasks of the RCH program. Okay, now what are the strategies for successful implementation of program? So with the help of audio, visual, and the print media, governmental and non governmental agencies have taken various steps to create awareness among the people about reproduction related aspects. Parents, other close relatives, teachers, and friends, and also have a major role in dissemination of the above information. Okay, so introduction of sex education in school should be also encouraged. Okay, so that the introduction of sex education in school can be another step. Okay, for providing a right information to the young minds about reproductive organs and accessory organs of reproduction. Okay, the adolescents and their related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, and this knowledge will save them from many myths and misconception about sex related aspects and help them to lead a reproductively healthy life later. Next is proper knowledge about various sex related aspect in is important, like need for safe and hygiene sexual practices, spread types of sexually transmitted disease, how it is spread. So all the information related to all these things. Okay, information about fast spreading disease like AIDS, hepatitis B. Okay, next, targeting and educating the marriageable age group and couples about importance of bringing up socially conscious healthy families of desired size. Okay, available birth control option, then care of pregnant mother. Okay, postnatal care, importance of breastfeeding. Okay, and equal opportunities for the male and female child. That means educating people about many of the things about a small family. Okay, especially fertile couples, those who are in marriageable age group, about available birth control methods, equal opportunities, would address the importance of bringing up socially conscious healthy families of desired size. Next, awareness of problems due to uncontrolled population growth, social evils need to be created to enable people to think and take up necessary steps to prevent them and thereby build up a socially responsible and healthy society. So, this was an introduction in which you learned what is reproductive health, what was the strategies implemented by Indian government, and what are the strategies for successful implementation of the program. Now, in the next class, we will study about the support needed for successful implementation of this program, population explosion, which is a very serious world concern, okay, and the measures to control overpopulation. Okay, so that's all for today. Whatever I have taught you today, please relate it to your NCERT. Okay, everything is given there. Watch the video lecture regularly and just make up the note of it. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.